I got my RPG.
Oh, there's a tank right there.
Find him! I hit him, 240! Hit him! 280! Oh, let me shoot him!
I'm keeping you as long as I can, dude. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Or, oh no, Blackhawk, I'm gonna bring you above him. Left side.
Oh my god, I'm nuking him.
Oh, that was RPG him. Get his ass!
Oh my god, I hit him for 900, bro.
Bring it. Yeah, he's down. He's down. Okay. Attack Ellie. And Blackhawk. Okay, switching to Braden's side. Good shit.
I'm repairing. I got it.
Let's fucking go, boys. Good repair spray. Bring in him on the right side again.
Fucking him up. Oh, he's a bullet. Oh my god, not anymore.
Left side.
300. And then he's so lit right below you, T.
I hit him for 100. Not much.
Oh shit, jump back down. Jump back down!
Oh shit, dude, I didn't know you were out. Coming, buddy. Oh no!